Or put it in your helmet or something. And this smells better. It smells good. It smells good. And I just smelled the pit, and it smells good. And you're going to put this on under that, because you should put the socks on first. And why are you doing all that? You're going to have to tuck in anyway. Because you have to tuck in for...
Need something snappy, something that'll bring him off the street. You got anything? I don't know. Rest in peace. That's not... I'll meet you back here in 2...
Is this cute? Huh? Yeah, you definitely need to be ready by the time Dad gets here, because he'll want to grab you and go.
Yes, girl, and you were afraid to tell me because you think she's hot.
I don't think she's hot.
Doug, please, I know you very well. It's like you have a window on your forehead and I can read your thoughts. Right now, the two big ones are Entenmann's and she's hot.
They were comfortable talking. I mean, he was this cute trainee drunk in the truck all day with me. And what do you mean? I felt a little weird about that. Oh, come on, it's not a little weird for you.
No, Doug, I don't fool around on me.
I mean, she looks up to me. I'm the man with the die cat board.
Well, yes, honey, that is the aphrodisiac.
Look at that. That's going to be in your pictures.
To you.
You're not.
No. You're a decent guy. And women sense that about you. You send out that good guy vibe. You're nice.
I want to see a lot more colors right here by the end of the season.
I used to play football. I used to shoplift candy. Carrie's talking about me like I'm this little homeless.
No, you have to wear these.